How to fix iOS 17 animated live photos not working as wallpaper. So let's get started. First thing first, start with restarting your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix some temporary issues. So after you restart your phone, all you have to do is go to the settings app on your mobile device and scroll down and tap on the battery option available there. Inside the battery, make sure that the low power mode is toggled off. If it is toggled on, then make sure that it is toggled off. After that, go back to the settings again. Now in settings, tap on the accessibility. Inside accessibility, tap on motion, and if reduced motion is toggled on, then make sure to toggle it off. After that, go back to the settings again and tap on the general. Inside general, scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Then tap on reset and tap on reset all settings. So that is it. By following this step, you should be able to troubleshoot this issue. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.